Okay, you want to setting the temperatures, you need to unlock this machine, this system. So you need to press up and down both. Okay, both press. Yeah, and you hear the lock, and it on, and it means the system open, and long press set. Okay, it will show the F01. It can set in the temperature and press set. You can see this the temperature, the temperature the cooling system can reach. Yeah. You can set in the temperature. Okay.